Would you like to learn how to draw simple, easy little pieces of doodle art? If so, you're in the right place. This is Olivia from the Alexandrienne channel. I'm starting a new series within my Doodle With Me series, and this is all about super simple, easy, quick, and fun. This will be great for those who like to do journaling, scrapbooking, card making, anything where you like little pieces of quick art. With this type of art, there are no art skills required. It's very easy. You'll be able to do it right off the bat. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to start off really simple with borders. Dot borders are a lot of fun. Can't get too much easier than that, and they're very effective. Even in my new book, I'm using dot borders. Love them. I'm trying to do something a little bit different in this series. I'm not going to do a lot of talking, so there could be maybe more focus on the drawing itself. And by the way, it doesn't matter at all if your image is perfect. Matter of fact, I think they look better when they're not. Now we're going to go on to a swirly border. And this is very easy as well. All it is swirls all the way across. Now back to the talking thing. I am having a seriously challenging time, so I don't know if I can pull it off or not. But I am going to add some background music, so maybe that will help. If you have an opinion one way or the other, I would really like to know. If it's easier for you to just focus with music, that's wonderful. If you'd rather hear me talk about it, that's wonderful as well. But it would really be helpful if you would let me know in the comments below which you prefer for this series. Okay, now we're going on to another swirly border, only this one flips and you'll get swirls upside down. So you get both. If you like this video, I would really appreciate it if you would hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I would love it. And hit the bell notification to be notified when future videos are posted. Thanks! Now we're going to go on to a zigzag. You can do so much with zigzags. This first video is really just kind of an introduction to some simple shapes. I plan on going into some of these and focusing on that shape, and zigzags will probably be one of them because you can do a lot with a zigzag and keep it very simple. The same with dashes, which is coming up now. And now we're going to make dots on lines. Very similar to the first one, but visually it does look a lot different. Oh, and by the way, you can make frames out of most of these too. Now we're on to one of my favorites, which of course is swirls. Just a very simple swirl with a few dots and a dash. Okay, now we're going to combine a straight line, some dots, and some ribbons with swirls and bows. And it's still super easy. Now, every one of these that I'm doing is just really relaxed. I'm not trying to make anything perfect. These are just fun, like what you might do in your journal. Okay, and now on to the next shape, which you will recognize immediately. And this is one of those that I will probably do a whole video on because there's just so much you can do with them. And I love it when the lines are not perfectly even. Just adds that fun, whimsical human factor. And now I'm going back in and coloring them, well, making every other one black so it'll look like a check. And if you'll notice, I'm not trying to cover every little piece of white. Again, that's kind of what makes them look so whimsical. I guess I could talk a little bit more while we're doing this. It's hard not to talk. I'm going to do a lot in this series. I'm going to do borders, frames. I might go into seasons, different themes, say like kitchen. Just a lot of fun, super easy stuff. Okay, this is an arrow. Super easy to do. Just put your little feathers and your arrow. It's also another one of those where you can do a lot of different things with it. I think probably all of these are. I like this one. It's a surprise at the end. Ta-da! A balloon. And some of these would also make really good borders going vertically. Most of them would. And that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please let me know. Leave comments, ask questions. If there's any particular kind you want to see, let me know. And subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification and hit like it if you liked it. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye. I would like to thank Jerry Burke, Lori Dobson, Maria Harkey, and Travis Williams. They've helped to make this video possible, and I really appreciate it.